YouTube advertisement has become an important part of reaching viewers online. Most of the top brands are using YouTube ads to reach customers. Hello. My name is Saad. I request you to please subscribe to my channel. How to advertise on YouTube, launch an ad campaign. Once you've created a marketing video you want to advertise on YouTube, it's time to create your video ad campaign. Then it's time to upload your video to YouTube. Now, you're ready to set up your advertising campaign. First, go to your Google Ads account. If you haven't made one already, you can sign up with a Google Workspace email, either personal or business. When you first sign up, the screen might prompt you to start creating a campaign right away. Look for an option that says "Are you a professional marketer?" or "Set up without creating a campaign" and click. That way, you can get to your brand new Google Ads dashboard. When you access the dashboard, click the button that says "Plus New Campaign." Goal and campaign type. You'll be prompted to select a goal, then a campaign type. Choose whatever goal you'd prefer. Under campaign type, select video. Campaign subtype and strategy. You'll be prompted to select a campaign subtype, video reach campaign, outstream, or ad sequence. Choose video reach campaign. In the same screen, select your method for reaching your goal, either efficient reach, bumper, skippable in-stream, or a mix or non-skippable in-stream. Campaign name. Next, enter a name for your campaign. Leave the bid strategy as is. Budget. Set your budget per day or for the entire campaign. Setting a daily budget can help you keep daily costs low while ensuring you don't run out of money too quickly. Setting a campaign total budget can help you establish a fixed investment amount that Google won't go over. After that, choose a start and end date. Networks, locations, and languages. Decide where you want your ad to appear. YouTube search results. Your video ad will appear in results for searches and will appear on the YouTube homepage, channel pages, and video pages. YouTube videos. This runs TrueView ads that appear pre or mid-roll during a YouTube video. Video partners on the display network. With this option, you can choose for your video ad to appear before or around videos across the Google display network. You should create separate campaigns for YouTube search results and YouTube videos, as this will help you to better track performance metrics. These ads are served to people performing very different activities and require a different amount of commitment from the viewer, so it's best to monitor performance separately. Next, define the location of users whom you want the ad to be shown to. You can also exclude certain locations. Content exclusions and excluded types and labels. Choose between expanded inventory, excludes videos that have excessive profanity and graphic content, standard inventory, excludes videos with strong profanity and graphic content, and limited inventory, excludes videos with moderate profanity and graphic content. Related videos. You have the option of adding related videos to appear below your ad. You can add up to 5. Demographics and audience segments. Next, define the audience you would like the video to be shown to. Options include gender, age, parental status, and household income. You can also target individuals by their interests, such as beauty mavens, cooking enthusiasts, horror movie fans, etc. Keywords, topics, and placements. You can also target individuals by keywords, topics, or placements where you would like your video ad to appear. Keyword targeting within display ads can be a powerful tool for finding individuals who are looking for a visual answer to a question. Be sure to do your research and try testing out different groups of keywords to see which leads to more views, clicks, or conversions. Bidding. Next, determine the max price you will pay for each view, which you can adjust to increase the number of projected views your video may receive. Creating the video ad creative. Last, insert the YouTube link for the video you would like to run the ad for. You will then choose whether you want this to run as an in-stream ad or an in-display ad. For in-display, you'll need to include a title and short description, which is entered on 2 separate lines. Note, titles are limited to 25 characters, and the description lines are limited to 35 characters each. In-stream ads provide you with the option to overlap a display URL on top of the video. You should use a vanity URL that directs to another final URL to make it more memorable. You can include advanced URL tracking options. In addition, a companion banner made from images from your video will appear on the right side of the video